Good morning everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this quick video I'm going to show you Roborock official discount that will help you to save money with confidence. Go to my YouTube video description link, you will get Roborock sales and promotion. You can subscribe to get $10 off with this coupon Roborock. Click shop now, it will show you the discount. Save on discounted product. Click this special link shop now button. It will redirect you to the official website. They will immediately show you a pop-up. Sign up here with your valid email. They will give you $10 off coupon, sometime 20, even more. Also, if you check out right now, they will give you $900 saving opportunities on this product. You can see from here. For any kind of support, you can chat with an expert clicking this link. All these sales you can see up to $100 off in every single product. Let's say you need discount coupon for others website and service like this. Click this deals page, click top coupons code, search here any keyword website name, you will get coupon like this. Left side category based coupon if you need. So thanks for watching. Save money all the every month updated discount coupon you will get here. See you in another new video and enjoy the discount.